Alright beauties, let's start with the flawless base. And today I will show you my step-by-step foundation routine using some of my favorite products. It is all about prepping the skin and layering the right products for a seamless finish. First thing first, clean skin is a key to flawless foundation. I'm using micellar water to gently cleanse and remove any impurities from the skin. This ensures that our base is smooth and fresh. After cleansing, I'm going in with a toner. This helps to balance the skin's pH and preps it for the next steps, making sure it's hydrated and ready for makeup. Next up is serum. I'm using the one that targets hydration to give my skin that extra glow. Always make sure to pick a serum that suits your skin's needs, whether it's hydration, brightening, or anti aging. Now let's lock in all the goodness with a moisturizer. A good moisturizer helps keep the skin hydrated throughout the day and ensures that your foundation does not cling to dry patches. I am gently massaging this into the skin for maximum absorption. Once the moisturizer is absorbed, it's time to apply a primer. I'm using a Blur Effect primer from Lakme Exfoliate to create a smooth canvas for foundation. This will also help your makeup last longer and give it that flawless finish. Before foundation, I'm applying a concealer under the eyes and on any blemishes or areas of redness. This will give us a more even base and minimize the amount of foundation we need to use. I'm blending it out with a fluffy brush for a seamless look. Now for the main step, the foundation. I'm using LA Girl Pro HD foundation that matches my skin tone. Start by applying small dots of foundation on your forehead, cheeks, nose, and chin. Then use a damp sponge or a brush to blend it outwards. The key is to press it into the skin for a natural finish. To lock everything in place, I'm using a loose powder. Focus on areas that tend to get oily like T-zone to keep your makeup from moving throughout the day. For a natural finish, avoid applying too much. Just a light dusting will do. And there you have it, a perfectly prepped and flawless foundation base. With the right products and technique, your makeup will last all day and look beautifully smooth. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more tutorials.